What's the name of this damn thing? What's up guys, it's Alisha Ricki back at you with another favorites video, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you my luxury, beauty, fashion, and of course lifestyle favorites. But before we jump into the video, if you like what you see so far, I would love it if you join my YouTube squad. So make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, make sure you hit the bell button right next to it so you're notified every single time I upload a video. Okay, so I usually start with my lifestyle favorites, but I feel like switching it up a little bit today, so I'm gonna start with my beauty favorites instead. And the first thing that I want to share with you guys is this Bobbi Brown eye cream. This is definitely not something new to me. This is a cream I've been using, I want to say, for like 4 or 5 years, but I kind of rotated around, and I recently finished my previous nighttime eye cream, so I was able to open this back up, and I have just been loving it so much. It's a very heavy whipped cream. It's like a very nice creamy texture. I feel like it does a really good job of hydrating your eyes overnight without leaving it super greasy. So it just kind of absorbs really well into your skin, and then under your eyes look a lot more moisturized in the morning. And for me, sometimes I don't get enough sleep. Let's be real, most of the time I don't get enough sleep, and if I don't get enough sleep, I get little like lines under my eyes a little bit, and I really hate that. And I do find that whenever I do use this cream, those lines are reduced significantly. So I definitely recommend this eye cream. Like I said, this is something I always go back to. I've been using it for almost 5 years, I want to say, on and off. So it's just a really good eye cream. It's a little bit expensive, a little bit on the pricier side, but I do feel like a little bit goes a long way, so the jar will last you a long time. And also you kind of get what you pay for because the quality is really nice. So I recently decided to get my life together, as I should, and get my ass back in the gym because I have been slacking OD, and this product I have been loving for that, and it is the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo, and this is in the chocolate shade. So you get 2 colors, and on one side it's like a chocolate brown like it says, and on the other side I guess you could say it's a dark chocolate or espresso shade. So I usually mix them and fill in my brows when I'm going to the gym, just because my left eyebrow kind of got janked up by a random that I like in my eyebrows. I completely regret it because it's like struggling to grow back, and if I don't get my eyebrows tinted, then I would definitely want to fill in at least this brow, because you can definitely see the difference on the tail end. So it looks super natural. It's a powder, so if you didn't know me, you didn't know that I had a janky eyebrow on the left side, you would think that, you know, I woke up like that. And that's what I like about the brow powder. It's not too much. So if you're somebody that either, you know, you have sparse eyebrows, or you have some areas of your eyebrows that are sparse and you don't want to do the most, or if you're somebody that just doesn't like wearing heavy makeup, like, you know, the brow gel or the dip brow, this is something definitely good for you to try that looks a little bit more on the natural side. However, be forewarned, this does not work like the dip brow. The dip brow is more of a creamy consistency, so it's definitely gonna stay on your brow, like it sticks to your brow hairs a lot better and stays a lot longer. But since this is a powder, just understand that if you accidentally wipe your brow or, you know, sweat or whatever, after a while it's gonna fade because it's a powder. It's not gonna stick to your hair that well. So definitely bear that in mind if you're gonna go check out this brow powder duo. The last beauty product that I want to talk to you guys about is the Sephora Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying with Zinc and Copper. That is a long ass name for no reason. But anyways, it is very comparable to the Glam Glow Youth Mud for a fraction, like I think like 30% of the cost. You get more product, it's essentially the same thing. Glam Glow Mask is a little more stiff in texture, or a little more dense, whereas this is a little more moussey, and I actually do like that. And I love the smell of this more than the Glam Glow one because it's like a little, I don't know, it kind of gives me like refreshing bath scent, whereas the Glam Glow one just, I don't know, it just smells like mask, if that makes any sense. And I was skeptical because I'll be the first to tell you, I be throwing the most shade at Sephora products. I don't buy Sephora products. It has to be something that's really good for me to buy Sephora brand products. I don't know why, that's just always how I've been. I don't know. I'm learning more and more though that Sephora products aren't that bad, but before you could not catch me buying a Sephora brand product. So if I tell you this is a bomb, know that this is bomb. Moving on to lifestyle favorites. I'm a juice girl, and you guys know juice is full of sugar. It's not the best for you, and like I said, I'm back in the gym now, so I have to be more responsible and disciplined about the things that I decide to eat. Even though I don't drink a lot of juice to begin with, I'm still trying to decrease the amount of juice that I do drink, and I personally love drinking sparkling water, and I've been loving the Poland Springs sparkling water. This is a sparkling water brand that I've been using for many years, as long as I can remember. They recently repackaged their bottles. I like the slimline bottles. It's like so dainty and cute in your hand. So I like that. And they also redid the flavors. I'm not sure if they redid all the flavors or they just repackaged the variety pack, but the variety pack, all the flavors in it, when I went to go to Costco this time to get it, were completely different. So I got to experience all the flavors, and I love this one. This one is my favorite one of the pack. This is a zesty lime flavor, and I am somebody that loves tangy drinks. Like, I love lemonade, tamarind juice, limeade, stuff like that. So this was right up my alley, and I don't know, it's just really refreshing. I like it, and it makes me, like, it tricks me into thinking I'm drinking juice, but I'm not. Anybody who knows me knows that I love music, and if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you know it too. And one thing that I loved during the month of March was the Pandora app. So if you don't know what Pandora is, it's pretty much a music service. You can have a free account or you can have a paid monthly subscription. And how it works, you can go put in like a song title or an artist, or I believe you could do a genre too, and it will select songs for you based on the artist or song or genre that you plugged in. So it's kind of like, I want to say, like an algorithm that kind of tailors to your taste, and you can thumbs up or thumbs down, so we'll know what you like and what you don't like, and then it's just going to get better and better at playing what you like the more you do that. If you have a free account, you can only thumbs up and thumbs down or pass, I think, skip songs 3 times per hour. And if you have a paid subscription, you can just, you know, do the damn thing, do whatever you want. But recently I randomly just opened my Pandora app when I was getting my nails done at the nail salon. I was like, damn, why did I stop using this? I feel like with Pandora, it's great because I get to put in songs from back in the day that I really like, and then it will play something that I haven't heard in mad long, and I get so hyped because I'm like, damn, I forgot about this song. I love this song. So I think the element of surprise and like nostalgia that it gives you when it just knows me, like I said, it gets to know what you like. I just really like that about it. So I have been obsessed with Pandora this month, and yeah, Spotify got kicked to the side. I don't know if I'm ever going to turn back, maybe on some days, but for right now I'm rocking with Pandora. So the first fashion item, or items technically, that I loved during March are these rings right here. I am somewhat of a ring junkie. I'm pretty sure you guys have noticed this by now, either here or on Instagram, but I've been loved rings. I've always loved a lot of rings, and I've just been wearing this combo a lot lately. So this one here is from Melody Asani, and I think it's called the Gold Link chain or something like that. I'll link it below in the description box. But I've had this ring for about 6 years, but she still carries it on her site. It's a really good quality heavyweight ring, so I love this one a lot. And then the nail rings, these came in a duo set from my store, Narazi.com. So this is the Adrian ring set duo, 2 nails in gold. It also comes in rose gold. And then this little, I guess, mini ring here, or pinky ring, whatever you want to use it for, comes in another one of my ring sets, but I took it out of that ring set to wear with this, and I've just been loving the way that this combo looks together. I don't know if you're into rings or you think it's like too much, but I don't know, it's just kind of my thing. So the one piece of clothing that I loved in March is this classic shop crew neck. You guys have probably seen this on my channel a couple of times and also on my Instagram. It's just a basic red crew neck with the classic shop logo in white on it. Guys, I have been so freaking obsessed with red lately. I don't know, red was the first shade of lipstick that I ever bought, and I love red lipstick, you know what I mean? Like, that's my jam. And I used to like red nail polish too, but then I kind of phased out of the whole red thing, and all of a sudden, I don't know, maybe because it was trending like last fall, winter, but I've just been totally into this whole red vibe. So I mean, as you can see, I just got my nails done, I got them red, and I'm loving the red shirt, and then, you know, I've been wearing red boots, red coat. It's just been a red time for me, so I've just been loving that. And this I like in particular because it's super comfortable. I love the material of this, and I don't know, for some reason a lot of times in March I was just running out to do errands or had to do something really quick, I just always grab for this shirt. I don't know, I like it. I like that it's red, so it makes a statement. It's super comfortable and you can dress it up or down, honestly. So I've been really loving this shirt, and I have a discount code. I'll put the discount code on the screen here so you guys can check that out, and I think you get 10% off your order, and I'll also have a link to the store and the discount code in the description box below. The last fashion item that I loved in March, and the only luxury item I loved in March, are these Chanel earrings right here, and I absolutely adore them. The thing that I love the most about them is that they don't have stones, so I don't have to worry about anything falling out or getting damaged. So that is why I love them, and I use them so much in March. I mean, I didn't feel, you know, uncomfortable or anxiety or anything, so I could just rock them out a lot. I did get them pre-loved. I don't think they're available in boutiques anymore. I will put the style code in the description box for you guys just in case, so you can check it out. But I did buy it pre-loved from Mimi Loves to Shop here on YouTube. Thank you so much, Mimi, because I love these earrings. Can't say how much I love them, and I'm obsessed with them. That brings me to the end of today's favorites video. If you guys like what you see, make sure you give me a thumbs up so I know to continue to do my favorites videos for the rest of the year. I don't know, I've kind of been liking doing these favorites video. I've never been this consistent with favorites videos before, and I mean, yeah, it's only 3 months in, but you know, that's a big deal for me because I'm usually like 1, skip 2 months, 1, skip 5 months, you know, so I'm really glad that I'm getting into this. I hope you guys are liking it because I am doing it to share, you know, what I like with you guys. And also, please leave me some comments below and let me know what some of your March favorites were. I love trying new products, so stop keeping secrets. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you like. What was your jam in March? And if you made it this far in the video and you're not yet a part of my YouTube squad, make sure you click my face over there and subscribe to my channel. And also, since you're kicking it with me anyway, you might as well watch another one of my videos if you haven't seen that yet. As usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.